How to set up secure folder on Moto H50 Fusion and Moto 50 series. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to security and privacy. Tap on security and privacy. Again scroll down. Tap on more security and privacy. Now scroll. Here you can see secure folder option. Tap on it. Now allow to send notification. Now tap on continue. Add apps, media and file to your secure folder. Tap on arrow. Tap on get start. You can hide your secure folder also. Now unlock your device. It will take a time. Now choose a lock for your secure folder. Here we select the pattern for a secure folder so you can secure your data. Tap on confirm. Now maybe later. Now here you can see files. Tap on a plus icon at the bottom right to add application, add files or add apps. Here we select add apps. Now select the application. Here we add application, Facebook, Dolby Atoms. Tap on a bottom right icon. Now app added. Tap on OK. Now tap on three dots. Here you can see secure folder settings, authentication setting, manage files. In more settings, you can find the different secure folder setting. Also, you can see arrow. Tap on it. Here you can checking for the info for secure folder. Make sure login with your account. Now go to app drawer. Tap on Facebook or any application. You can find the secure folder here. Tap on it. Unlock your device to access secure folder apps on files. That's it. Like it, share it.